We start with the 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, exactly here, we mentioned we're looking for buy and we did discuss about the different possibility. Anyway, this is what we get, and we mentioned if we get any trade setup, we're looking for target at 0.14. The price couldn't take to the target, but almost near to what we expected. Now we want to see what's the next. In this case, we take out these things, and if we put this top in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why we could expect the price to drop. Now the question is how deep is this one can go, and can we put this one in relative to each other for internal flat for one move up? This is what we see most of the chart. They have a similar movement. Anyway, we move to the higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart, and we want to see whether we can get the reversal and the price can continue, or we can expect to get the big correction. Based on daily chart, we don't have anything to discuss, and even we can technically we can put this one as a bigger internal flat. Okay, and that's why if we want to look for buy, we need to have a proper trade setup. And if I move to forward chart, the only thing is we need to be really careful with the buy because we want to see the price can break the previous top or not. Okay, that means still we can look for buy, but the best thing is we since we have been looking for buy when the price was within this move, this is what we get. That's why anyone get the trade within this move, they should book some profit. And even if we put this one as a flat or bigger correction, we buying at the top of this. That's why, because at the top of this correction, that's why I mentioned as long as the price haven't broke this top, any trade within this range, we need to be careful. We consider that as a short term. We want to see the breakout of the previous top and we confirm whether this is the start of the up move or we can expect to get one more drop. Anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. If I move to 1 hour chart, still we can expect this one drop some more. We can put this one as a flat, running flat for one move up. Still, if we get any buy, we will take the trade, but we need to see whether the price can break the previous stop or not. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and if we want to look for trade, we prefer this one drop some more at least because we need to look for the reversal at least similar to what we get here because to trade of this one we need to refer to 15 minutes. Okay, that's why I mentioned if we want to look for trade, we have the best is this one drop some more, at least we get the reversal as a short move, like because if the price continue from here, the only way is to have entry above this. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and right now we're looking at this. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.